I'm Tina Demerchant, and I'm going to be telling you about winds and explaining them to you. And I'm also going to be showing you about wind diagrams. Okay, with this diagram, I want to demonstrate the flow of air. Areas that are exposed to the sun's heat warm up and start heating the air around it. This creates a low pressure area. Areas that are not exposed to the sun's heat stay cold and create an area of high pressure. Now we end up with two areas of low pressure and areas of high pressure. In these cases, air tends to flow from high pressure to low pressure, which creates wind. In this diagram, all of these red squiggly lines represent the heat coming from the ground. Yeah. Okay. Now this is also showing the same thing. All the warm air from the low pressure rises, and all the cold air from the high pressure sinks because it's blocking the sunlight with clouds. This is a diagram of a global wind. See, global winds cause the poles to have low pressure areas, and around the equator it's going to be really hot, so it's going to be low pressure. And around the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, it's going to be high pressure because it's going to be colder. Okay, in this diagram it shows global winds. In the northern hemisphere, all the winds turn right. In the southern hemisphere, all the global winds turn to the left because of the global wind. Okay. In this diagram, you can see the easterlies, the westerlies, and the trade winds. The doldrums too. The doldrums you wouldn't want to sail in because there's not any wind there, so it's not recommended. In the doldrums, but it has low pressure. Okay, in this picture, you can see that the low pressure is exposed to the sunlight, so it starts going up. But the high pressure areas are covered by trees, so it's not exposed to the sunlight. So they start coming together and they create winds. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.